Team Hostel, are you ready?
Yes, we are always ready.
Thank you.
Yes, okay. Can we start? Yeah. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I am Soumya from Team Hustle. We are a group of five. Vaishnavi, Harini, Chaitanya, and Manisha. So, I, firstly, I just want to tell that please don't expect any like APTs videos because we don't want to represent our idea in that. So just we want to close your eyes and see whether how is our India, like how is the education system in our India. So just close your eyes and think how the education system was before the independence and how it is now. Just think. So the thing is, in our studies, like in our primary studies, we didn't we are exposed to all the histories in our Indian culture. But do you think it is the real history we are facing? For example, I think we have forgotten our history. We have forgotten our kings. We have forgotten our emperors. But I think we remember the emperors of the other states, other than India. Like for example, I know Mughal kings. Like I know all the descendants like it is like Akbar, Humayun, Babur, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, and Bahadur Shah. Do I know the kings and descendants of Chola kingdom, Pandya kingdom, or even great Shivaji Maharaj? No, I don't know that because we are used to it. So our idea is to change the educational system, which is really not focusing on what is the true history of our India, because India is a wide way like myriad it is composed of myriad things. We have forgotten our own Indian history with this confusion of these myriad things. So thus we want to showcase that in this ideathon that our education is not in the correct way. People say that we are rich. India is rich. India has everything. But why aren't we developed country? Just think of it. Because we don't know how to implement it. Like we don't know, even we have the resources, we don't know how to implement it. This is the thing we are facing. Other countries have imported our things and they have been developed, but the things which are in our origin, we are not able to utilize it and import it. Where do you think it is? Where do you think the mistake is? We think it is in the education system. So education system is what should be changed. So we propose an idea that uh, till the metric, like till the 10th, the education system is perfect, but there should be addition in Indian culture, Indian tradition. You see, I have Ramayana, Mahabharata in my lessons, but their fathers, they didn't have this because now we are getting enlightened about our Indian culture. You're getting my point, right? So like we are getting now to the saturation state that okay, enough, this is getting all the knowledge from others is enough. Let's inculcate our knowledge. So this is what is happening. So we need to get it to the time and we need to keep it alive. So till metric, the education system is perfect, but just the thing is that we need to add more Indian culture, and then after inter, like after 10, inter and degree, we thought to inculcate online procedure, online exams, online classes, because with online classes and procedures, the students, they can opt whichever subject they have, whichever subject they are interested in. So this is the good point which we came through, and we have and also it's like the people when they are when in the syllabus aspect, like in the academic aspect, if they are away from the peer pressure, they'll get to know what they are for, like what is their real reason for being in this world. So we obtained a plan that there should be online classes uh, from after 10th class. So it can be with, like you can tell that seeing computer for so much time is not good. We can use holograms. You can tell that holograms are expensive. But previously we thought that cars also are expensive and are not for the middle aged people. But we are owning cars now. Same with the TV. TV was in some Jamindar's only house, but every house now has a TV. So this can come, like holograms can come. So this can be a vital part in our education. So we can clearly feel that teacher is in front of us, and we can see the teacher and learn. And you can tell that how to socially interact. What is the knowledge? How we'll gain the social interaction. For this, we have removed a plan. Like the half of the day should be for online classes. The half of the day should be for practical sessions, like practical knowledge, games, and everything. So with that, they'll get to decrease the peer pressure and increase the friendliness in them. No one can feel selfish, or no one can feel jealous about someone because they don't know them. They just know the aspect of the all the games things and everything. So they can't go and touch that syllabus thing or the academic thing. So this is what we planned for. This is the idea which we came across because of this all pandemic season and the corona time we are facing due to corona and online classes. Yes, I'm done. Thank you very much for giving us this opportunity. It was really like brainstorming session for us. If any doubts, I can clear. We are really very clear about our idea. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Soumya. See, yours were different from all. You are genuinely from your thought. You are on strong about your what you are telling about it. Definitely, that show your courage to talk. So, thank you for giving your nice words.
Good morning, everyone. I think you are all sitting tight since 1.5 hours, since 10 o'clock. So let us have something crazier and funnier. I and Soumya and my teammates, we are having our title as The Hustle, meaning fighting. We are fighting. That is, we did not design any logo or whatever it may be presentation because we are fighting from our own perspective. That is, we are fighting by our own. We are having our own logos. That is, we are having our own things. Like I'm Manisha, so I'm having M as my logo now. So that's what the thing we are conveying you. We should fight from our own perspective. No one will come and fight for you, right? So we need to stand in this society. So we should be ourselves. And we did not prepare any presentations or whatever it may be to make this section much interactive, because nowadays due to this corona pandemic we are not having any we are always going on with all these things online, seeing presentations. We are going all with this kind of stuff. So we wish, I think we thought to have an interactive session, so we did not plan any presentation, or and we are talking purely, that is we want to interact with you face to face. So our basic idea in our Indian education system, basically we are having till schooling up to 10th class. We are, our Indian thing mainly focuses on theory. Like we are having examinations, we, it does not include much practical knowledge. And whatever we see when in our school or college or whatever it may be, when we are having physical periods like PET, any physical activities in which we are involved, we feel so excited that we feel like a blessing in disguise, right? After fed up with all the classes, then we are having a small interactive session, we will be feeling so excited to attend that session, right? Isn't it? To have some creative works like that. So what is our thought is, uh, let us make this blessing in disguise as routine. Like in apart from our India, in other countries, basically, let us I'm taking reality into an idea. Like, I basically watch a lot of Korean dramas. I don't know how many of you know about that. And I can see, I as I see a lot of dramas, I can see how their education system goes like that. And then I can see a little difference in ours and theirs. Like, in India, we'll be basically focusing more on theory like that, and the students are stretched out. Whereas in some other outside, they are having majors like sculptures and whatever it may be as a major. Like, normally in India we take diplomas, right? If you want to do fashion designing or anything like that, you'll be having a diploma, but not as degree. Normally, we are having a lot of branches like BA, BTech, BArch, like that. You are having 52 courses, and in that BTech is one of that courses, and in BTech we are having 57 branches. See, um, basically we are a normal BTech student who is going to enter into a college or university after their intermediate. They are not aware of all this. They don't know what, there are these many courses, and each course as individually these many branches in that. Like, in these, among all these BA, BTech and whatever it may be, in BTech only we are having 57 branches. See, no one of us know all of those branches, and we are unaware of that. And we are selecting the same common things like CSE, CIT, whatever it may be, the highlighted things only. We are mainly focusing on maximum up to 5 to 10 branches. So what is my idea is, not only that we are having a number of courses, branches, and our team hustle idea is to make some diploma courses into our thing, like major courses like sculpture. We are having beautician courses, whatever it may be. By including that in our major degree courses, we can have a lot of new creative ideas. Like, we can be entrepreneurs. We don't need to fight these hard if we have a wide variety of these creative branches into our degree. And that's what it is. We plan like that. So whenever we get a so if we include those things into our course, so whenever we get a to PET classes or like that creative sessions, we don't feel it as blessing in disguise when we have these courses, and we learn a lot. And we can have more creativeness, and we can be entrepreneurs easily. So that's what the team of our idea of our team hustle. And thank you, sir, for giving us this opportunity to discuss, to having an interactive session. Especially thank you to Shravan sir. He is the first alumni member who has interacted this much with us students, and he's always motivating us towards, and he's always positive. I don't know how he can manage to be, but is the most optimistic person I have ever seen till now. Thank you guys for listening to me for a few minutes.
Thank you, Manisha. So, comments from Meena ma'am.
Yeah, Hazel, you have chosen a different method of interacting. Okay, you said your choice is to interact with people and not make a run-of-the-mill presentation like normal presentation. So it's all come out from your heart, that I can see each one of you has spoken from your own heart, and you didn't have to go too much into research and internet and all. You have consciously kept that aside. So okay, it's a new way of looking at how you take on the ideathon. I think little more, if you had sat down and interchanged your ideas a little more deeply, probably you would have organized it more concisely, I can say. But otherwise, it has been a very open and very heart-to-heart talk. That's the way you have interacted now, and that's good. That's also one way of expression, and I'm glad that you feel you can do that in this. It shows about the freedom that has come around the idea, the freedom that has been placed in front of them. So, and great confidence each of you has shown. I really enjoyed. I'm proud of all of you, and yeah, I can't but help compare you to ourselves and our children, because they're all different generations and you are the present generation. So great going, and it's all happening in India, in our country, in our city. So I'm really happy about how things are happening, and I'm really glad I joined with this team, and hope I can contribute also a lot. So all the best, team, and few words I will talk later about all the rest of the teams. I hope I get a chance. So all the best, good going, great job. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So now the team is Team Trash.